global AI strategy invests across a broad spectrum of technologies and sectors, embracing the disruptive power of AI. AI has the potential to disrupt every industry. We see the most exciting opportunities in AI in three main categories. First is the deployment of AI infrastructure and enabling technologies critical to the growth of AI. Second is the development of AI applications and software to make smarter insights and decisions. Third is the adoption of AI in key operational business processes to drive AI-enabled industries. A typical technology fund will provide exposure to the AI theme only within the tech sector. The global AI strategy is different and looks to capture potential alpha in stocks across all sectors that are benefiting from the rapid developments in artificial intelligence. We expect as AI disruption proliferates, the strategy will see more representation from companies that are tied to other industries. The global AI strategy currently has over 70 holdings and is becoming more diversified across a number of sectors and industries. Over 30% of the portfolio is now outside the information technology and communication services sectors, as we are seeing more companies outside of tech see the early benefits from AI. Many of our AI-related companies are performing well with solid financial results and growth outlooks. We feel confident that their share price will follow the earnings growth over time, with the current portfolio expected to drive low 20s earnings growth over the next several years. Valuations for growth companies can be volatile at times, but long-term earnings and compounded returns have eventually rewarded patient investors. We believe an actively managed fund is the best way to capture the growing opportunity with artificial intelligence. The global AI strategy is not a benchmark-oriented fund, and its holdings and characteristics are different from traditional tech sector and market indices. We are finding exciting opportunities in a growing universe of stocks and have an unconstrained strategy to invest across the market cap spectrum and sectors to get the most exposure to AI and find the new leaders of the AI era. Currently, only 20% of the portfolio is in mega cap stocks versus a typical tech index at over 60%. AI is at an earlier stage of development, so more focus is currently on companies that can deliver disruptive change and higher growth potential. Also, the global AI strategy has high active share versus most tech and broad market indices at over 80%, so there's little overlap and it can be complementary to other funds. We believe the fact that the global AI strategy has kept pace with such a strong performing tech market with a more diversified portfolio reflects the power of the theme around artificial intelligence and our team's ability to identify compelling investments benefiting from this innovation. We are seeing the artificial intelligence industry make significant progress and reach a tipping point for adoption. During the next few years, we expect AI technologies to become easier to use, cheaper to deploy, and smarter and more efficient. In AI infrastructure, the last few years have been driven by the early adoption of new computing architectures to train deep neural networks for machine learning. The next phase will be about AI inference and deploying AI from the data center to billions of edge devices. AI applications are helping to drive higher levels of automation, faster decision-making, and significant cost savings. We think AI is going to be a part of nearly every application we have around us and create an even bigger market opportunity than past IT transformation errors. In AI-enabled industries, many companies in the automotive, consumer, healthcare, and finance sectors are already seeing the early benefits from AI, which is allowing them to introduce unique products and services to outperform their industry peers. In the first half of 2019, the global AI strategy has seen good performance balanced across AI infrastructure, AI applications, and AI-enabled industries. We'll continue to make active trade-offs between upside potential and downside risk at the individual stock level. It is this process that has allowed us to take advantage of volatility in the market and deliver compelling long-term returns for our investors. There are lots of exciting new innovations in deep learning, intelligent software, AI chip development, machine vision, and more. We are just scratching the surface of the future possibilities of what AI can accomplish. More companies are looking to AI as a way to improve their products and services, enhance efficiencies, and drive competitive advantage. There are many examples of how AI is driving innovation in different industries. In healthcare, AI is being trained on X-ray images and achieving accuracy rates better than most doctors in diagnosing everything from cancer to blood diseases to Alzheimer's. A neural network was recently trained to predict chemical reactions, which could significantly accelerate the creation of new drugs. We are just scratching the surface of what AI technologies can do to to make doctors better, create more effective medication, and improve the quality of care in the future. In the home, first generation of voice assistants today in our smartphones and home smart speakers is giving millions of consumers a glimpse of what's possible in the future. Today's leading voice assistants will be coming to everything from laptops to appliances to cars over the next few years. They will eventually become smart personal assistants who can handle our daily tasks and save us time each day. In agriculture, companies are using autonomous drones to help farmers digitally survey their land and help improve crop yields through unmanned tractors with automatic watering and intelligent chemical spraying capabilities. In retail, stores are leveraging AI, cameras, 3D sensing, and augmented reality technologies to enable cashierless stores and virtual fitting rooms to give shoppers a faster and better experience. We are still at the beginning phases of a global transformation that will be ushered in by developments in artificial intelligence. AI could equal human narrow intelligence for specialized areas in the next decade and could reach general intelligence in the next 20 years. The long-term opportunity for value creation during the AI revolution could be significantly bigger than past tech eras, as every industry could be impacted. We believe that stock picking and active management will be imperative to capturing the benefits of the opportunity. We are excited about what the coming years will bring and to see how AI technologies can be leveraged to improve people's lives and transform world economies.
安聯投資